Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see likes on Instagram. So, if you say here, so you can see just like by a profile and others. Okay, and you can see also here you can uh, just like by some people and others, but you can't see the number of likes. So if you want to see the number of likes, so all you need to do is go for your profile and go for in this three line option, click on settings and privacy, scroll down, and you can see here is an option as like count. You need to click on it and just turn it off here, hide like count. You have to just turn it off and just go back. Okay, if you refresh it, and now you can see here is a like option. Okay, likes, a number of likes. So that's it. This is how you can see likes on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.